ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव। आई एम लिटिल जेलस कि देखो हम जब यंग थे, जवान थे, हमें ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल था, तब ये ऐसे फॉर्मेट्स आने चाहिए थे।
Hello everyone, this is Shweta Chitrode and today I am here in Coimbatore at Curry Speedway, and you know what, I am here for finale of Castrol Power One presents India's Ultimate Motor Star on MTV. You have seen all the auditions which happened across the nation, and now today we are at the finale. So here all the racers are pumped up to find top 3 racers who are going to go to Europe. So I'm all excited. Do watch this video till end and you will come to know about all action that has happened today. It's really exciting. So today I have Jagadish Sri and also known as Jaga. So Jaga, from which city you belong to?
I'm from Chennai.
In Chennai, everyone is racer, I think. I just wanted to know that what inspired and motivated you to, get into biking.
My dad, obviously, he's the one who taught me how to ride bikes.
Lovely.
And
How was your experience today? Because I know you have been grinding a lot, and how was it?
yeah, actually, I really had fun today, but I was stuck behind on bikes. I was making some mistakes here and there, and I'm hoping I should not repeat that tomorrow again.
Right now we have Anish Shetty with us. How many years you have been riding and racing?
I've been racing for a decade now, and I started with off-road racing. So currently I do circuit racing, I do rallies, and I also participate in the e-scooter World Cup as well.
So where did you give your auditions and how was that experience?
My auditions was in Chennai, and it was quite a neck-to-neck battle.
Overall there was lots of learning, like there also you had practice sessions, again here practice sessions, and then you have track. So how was that experience?
Everything slowed down for us, so we could see what mistakes we are doing. When otherwise it is usually like we get on bigger bikes, fast lap times.
So it was
and stuff.
more like unlearning and learning.
Exactly,
everything. Yeah. I have Lucio here with me, and I have some important questions to ask. So hello, and firstly welcome to India.
Welcome and congratulations to you
Thank you
for
so much.
your successes.
Thank you so much. So I wanted to understand that from all the auditions till this finale, like you have been seeing the racers, what do you think? How are they performing, and how are they overall with their skill set?
First of all, I enjoy very much the race. I enjoy very much the enthusiasm of the riders.
When we talk about India's Ultimate Motor Star and this entire initiative which Castrol Power One has taken up, so what do you think, how it is shaping motorsport in India?
Of course, is a very good opportunity, and it's very important to promote the sport, to give opportunity to talents, and this is exactly what many big companies have done in Europe.
When I was kid, I've grown watching MotoGP, and last year MotoGP coming to India was like one of my dream, like many people's dream. But I think we all have another dream to see someone from India going in MotoGP. So do you think this will be maybe a small step towards that very huge dream?
Correct. This is the very first step of a very long scale.
So thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time, and
Thank
it was
you.
really pleasure to talk to you.
Thank
So
you.
looking forward for tomorrow's event
Yeah.
and races. Thank you
too.
so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
I am here today with one of the most important person of this entire event, that is Rajni. Rajni, you have been throughout into racing. Like from the day I know you, I have seen you that you have your racing school, and you have been yourself also being a racer. So how this India's Ultimate Motor Star has changed something in you as a professional, because you have already trained so many people, but this kind of initiative where companies providing everything and people are coming from they just don't know anything. So what do you think, how was this experience for you to train these people?
Yeah, that is actually that almost I'm working this project more than 3-4 months. Almost you will train 240 people each city. You will select some rider to bring here to train again, and putting for racing, and especially the company giving for all. You just come and ride and go.
True.
That is big opportunity for all the youngsters.
Because no one will practically buy everything, then plan to race. Then they need to be very, very serious, and then only they will do such things. So company providing.
Yeah, obviously you can say the race is so expensive sports in India,
Yes.
and somebody the Castile Power and provide all the things, all the facility and good training with school. You can see all people in our training school, the pro rider. Okay, everybody giving proper training and going faster and winning. That is.
That's all, and thank you so much. I really I feel that you are the one who should be congratulated for
Thank you,
this
thank you.
entire success, because right from auditions till finale, you are one person who is running everywhere.
Everywhere,
Yes. So thank you so much, and see you tomorrow for the finale. Bye. Thank you. This is the pit lane, और अब यहाँ पर फाइनल रेस होने वाली है. So total 3 राउंड्स थे और उसका फाइनल राउंड, और उसके बाद में हमें मिलेंगे 3 फाइनलिस्ट जो जाएंगे यूरोप. So I'm going to go up there to watch the race, and definitely it's going to be fun. Let's go up and see how this last round goes and who is the winner. We are going towards the grid. So this is pit lane, and we are going there. Later we'll be there up so that we can witness this race in a very different way. So that is JS, then Sunny. चलो अभी हम जा रहे हैं सेफ्टी कार में एक राउंड के लिए. So we are ready and we are going.
Stepping out.
Time for final race. Safety car में गई and I broke my mic. So now I am recording without my mic. But this is the final race, and lineup is done. So this is the grid, and final race is about to start. So all the grinding, all the auditions, all the training is going to be rewarding right now. So we are just waiting for top 3 people. More than that, I think all are winners here, but top 3 are going to go to Europe, and we all are excited for this final race. Chalo, all the best. Yes. So here we are at the top, and you can see the track from behind. So practice run is done. Now the final run will start. This was one outstanding experience to see this race live, and we have a clear-cut winner who is winning from past 2 races. Well, one fantastic race is done, and in fact, the finale of India's Ultimate Motor Star is done, and now we are here for prize distribution. This entire thing, whatever Castrol has done, is something really great, and this will definitely open doors for so many things in India. We have Karan Kundra for the prize distribution and all the mentors. Now let's go.
Boys and girls, alright, so let's get going. शुरुआत करते हैं. Castrol Power One presents India's Ultimate Motor Star on MTV. Alright, so it's now time to get into the podium placements. And the second runner-up is Surya PM. The first runner-up is Jagdish. And the winner is
Today I have Jason with me.
Hello
Jason.
G, hello Shweta, how are you?
We had some wonderful time and अभी हम लोग ये finale just खत्म हो गया and I just thought कि I should ask him some things about
Yes,
this
definitely.
entire event. So Jason,
I was waiting the whole day कि कोई आगे मुझे थोड़े भाव दे, मुझसे कुछ पूछे, मुझसे किसी ने कुछ नहीं पूछा. अच्छा श्वेता, thank you. I'm happy. Yes, please.
so ये जो पूरा initiative है
हाँ.
Castrol ने लिया है, मतलब Castrol हमें भी बहुत support करती है. You
Any
know,
day करता
even
है,
in my
yes.
racing, you're touring everywhere. they are
Any
supporting.
terrain,
Yeah.
obviously it is a sports, it's a off-road, it's a touring thing. Castrol is there
Castrol
for
is
the
there.
biking community.
So अब जो ये इन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जो मुझे लगता है एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है किसी ब्रांड के लिए. So what do you think about it, like this entire from audition to
Like
finale?
great initiative. I am little jealous कि देखो हम जब यंग थे, जवान थे, हमें ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल था,
Same.
तब ये ऐसे फॉर्मेट्स आने चाहिए थे, ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म आने चाहिए थे जहाँ पे हम भी अपने जलवे दिखाते. बट अभी के लिए भी हम खुश हैं कि आज की जनरेशन को एक तो इतनी अच्छी बाइक्स मिल जाते हैं, छोटे कैटेगरी में 400 सीसी में इतनी सारे बाइक्स हैं, अफोर्डेबल हैं. हमारे टाइम में ये सब नहीं होता था. बूसा लेना भी ड्रीम था, तो उस हिसाब से चीज़ें बहुत बदल गई हैं. इसी हिसाब से ये जो एक रियलिटी शो है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मेरी बहुत लोगों से बात हुई, उन्होंने बोला कि हमने अपनी लाइफ में पहली बार एक ट्रैक एक्सपीरियंस किया है या गाइडेंस लिया है, राइडिंग गियर पहना है. सो एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कैस्ट्रॉल की तरफ से.
और
तो कुडोस टू कैस्ट्रॉल.
मुझे ये भी लगता है कि हम लोग जो रोड सेफ्टी प्रमोट करते हैं थ्रू आउट आवर टूरिंग,
Right.
और बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके पास पावरफुल बाइक है एंड दे जस्ट राइड इट ऑन रोड. एंड आई ऑलवेज से कि आना है तो
वो उनको
track
चपड़ी
पे
राइडर
आओ.
बोलते हैं. हाँ, या सही
तो
है.
ट्रैक पे आओ और ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी आना.
Yes, if you want to race professionally, this is the place to be. आओ, दिखाओ आप में कितना दम है, बट सड़कों पे मत करो. और यहाँ पे ब्रांड का और हमारा फिलॉसफी मैच होता है.
तो ये जो ट्रैक आपने देखा एंड मैंने लास्ट टाइम आपकी CSS की वीडियोस देखे थे, तो आपको मन नहीं कर रहा है ट्रैक पर जाने का?
सच्ची सुबह से लार टपक रही थी, मेरा हैंकी गीला हो गया लार पहुँचते पहुँचते. बट ये सवाल ना मुझे इससे करना चाहिए. रीज़न भी मुझे ये पता है ये ड्रैग क्वीन है, ठीक है. ट्रैक पे कैसा चलाती तो आज मैं देख सकता था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस बार नहीं, बट डेफिनेटली
Next time, yes.
सम अदर प्लेस, सम अदर टाइम, ऑन सम अदर ट्रैक.
And how was your entire day? Like this
entire day was
experience?
fantastic. और सबसे पहले दोबारा आई एम वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि भूसा वी हैव अ डिफरेंट कनेक्ट ऑल टुगेदर, जिसके लिए कुछ लोग बेचारे कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते. वो भी थोड़ा फ्रेम से साइड में दिखा दो,
जिसे हम
बिकॉज ये हमारा ब्लॉग है, इट्स नॉट प्रोफेशनल शूटिंग.
इसलिए मैं कोशिश करा जा रहा है ना, फ्रेम इन्होंने ले लिया हमारा.
हमने कुछ ब्रांड इनका जो सेलेक्ट किया हुआ था उसको हटा के अभी भूसा करवा दी है
हम
उसको भी
धीरे-धीरे
फ्यूचर में. और
करवा रहे
उसको तो हमने ऐसा पंप अप कर दिया कि घर जा रहा है, एक बार देख रहा है प्रॉपर्टी का कितना वैल्यू है, और अगला बाइक तो भूसा ही लेना है.
अलाउ करेगी कि नहीं?
बट मजाक से हटके वी आर हैविंग बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ आवर लाइफ हियर. गुड इवनिंग टू रिमेंबर. ग्रेट opportunity people are getting, great facility and great things Castrol has provided to us.
And Ankita, it was really amazing to spend so much time with you for this finale. But मुझे ये जानना है कि you being a woman rider and even I am like touring and drag racing. So what do you feel about this? Because there was one woman and she was actually, giving a tough competition to everyone. So what do you feel about this entire event?
So first of all, that it was an ultimate experience. That is a big opportunity for people to come, and for women motorcyclists also it's a big opportunity. Even we felt that out of 18 there was only one female motorcyclist and who took on the racetrack and who even got the position on the 8th. So it was very good to see such women coming into the motorcycling.
Boat or bike never differentiate
Yeah.
between men or women, and it is always about experimenting with your limits, testing your limits and crossing them.
ये इवनिंग बहुत अच्छी गई है. एंड अगेन ये जो खूबसूरती है ना, ये गवाह है. सी दिस, द गॉड इज ऑल्सो हैप्पी, द नेचर इज हैप्पी एंड ब्यूटीफुल एज यूजुअल. एंड अगेन वहाँ पे कहीं पे हमें पीकॉक की आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है. राइट,
हमारा मयूर नहीं बोलता बट वो बोलता है.
ये वाला मयूर नहीं बोलता है बट वो बोलता है. अब इनसे भी पूछ लिया जाए. भाई साहब, गेस्ट, डियर गेस्ट, प्लीज एलैबोरेट. आपको कैसा लगा आज का दिन?
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, और जो टीम थी हमारी
या
Yes.
केवल की भाई नेक्स्ट
बहुत
लेवल
अच्छी है.
बहुत अच्छी थी, और जो रेस हुई वो तो मतलब मज़ा आ गया.
So all the people you're seeing in this frame, including Ankita,
Miss
BTS, everybody had the best of the time.
क्योंकि हम ऐसे तो मिलते रहे हैं in general.
तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी थी सबके लिए अब सबको क्या करना है, सबको बढ़ चढ़ के प्यार देना है। वैसे मैं भूल गया था, ये मेरा व्लॉग नहीं है श्वेता का, तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और एक कमेंट कर देना बढ़िया सा। और वो यूट्यूबर लाइफ है ना, वो कैमरा छीन लेते हैं और दूसरे को बोलने नहीं देते, मेरी बहुत बड़ी कमी है भाई।
करते हैं
हाँ देखो, हम बायर्स हैं, सॉरी टू से Busa has a special space in our heart, है ना? Busa. Keep loving, keep supporting. Not signing off, but just have a look, guys. What a beautiful sky we have.
Thank you so much.
Women power, superwomen we have in the frame. Yes. Nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jason. And thank
Most
you, everyone.
welcome.
Thank you, Ankita.